Welcome to TechBee, your portal to the ultimate gadget wonderland, where you'll find ingenious solutions to elevate your lifestyle with the coolest gadgets available online. Enjoy fantastic audio moments with the Ukemba Magnetic Diamond Bluetooth speaker. It effortlessly attaches to your iPhone or any metallic surface, serving as a magnetic phone stand as well. With Bluetooth 5.0 and TWS technology, this compact gem not only features a captivating RGB color display inspired by diamonds, creating a dynamic atmosphere harmonizing with your music, but also ensures seamless connectivity. Additionally, it allows the pairing of multiple units for a stereo listening experience. Shargeek 170 Power meets style with a transparent prism design, boasting a massive 24,000 mAh capacity. Charge 3 devices at once. It delivers 170 watts max output and 140 watts max input. Inspired by Pink Floyd, it's a design statement, offering efficiency even with multiple connections. Smart display, low current mode for small devices, and IP66 water resistance. Introducing the Anope Coldest Water Bottle, a 24 ounces stainless steel marvel with vacuum insulation. Keep drinks at the perfect temperature for 24 hours cold or 12 hours hot. It features a built-in ultra-strong MagSafe phone mount, making it a versatile tool for content creators, athletes, and everyday use. With a precision hinge and powerful magnets, it's a compact tripod replacement. Nikasa M1 is a revolutionary open-top self-cleaning cat litter box with an 11.23 liters trash bin and 7.17 liters litter capacity. It eliminates strong odors and safety concerns, providing feline comfort and cleanliness. Enjoy 2 litter-free weeks with the pull and wrap waste disposal feature, ensuring hassle-free cleaning in just 3 seconds, and it's easy to detachable. Claude Note AI Voice Recorder is the world's first AI voice recorder powered by ChatGPT. It offers one press recording for meetings, iPhone calls, and voice memos. Claude AI services transcribe recordings into precise texts and summarize them into meeting notes, mind maps, to-do lists, and more. With premium audio quality and features like vibration conduction sensor, VCS, for phone call recordings, Claude Note eliminates the need for tedious note-taking and enhances your conversation experience. Meet the Agreen RG 65 watts USB-C charger, the Nexode 3-port robot GAN fast charger block. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it caters to diverse charging requirements, with a futuristic design and a unique LED display, showcasing different facial expressions. Vejo, your personalized hand warmer, a symbol of warmth and love. Crafted with artistic elegance, reminiscent of spa hot stones, it radiates warmth in a spectrum of colors. The heart-shaped design, wireless charging, and home decor appeal make it perfect for gifting. Inspired by a spa experience, Vejo is more than a hand warmer, it's a symbol of joy, fostering connections and precious moments among loved ones. Meet SumVi, the ultimate nap-enhancing device. Transform naps into rejuvenating experiences with SumVi's light wake-up effect and serene auditory environment. Using radar sensing and advanced algorithms, it wakes you at the optimal sleep cycle, ensuring peak alertness. Embrace personalized sleep optimization anytime, anywhere. Elevate brain health and delay aging with well-timed naps, thanks to SumVi's portable design. Introducing the EDC35, the pinnacle of compact EDC flashlights. Featuring the groundbreaking 9-core UHI 4D Max LED, it delivers an impressive 5,000 lumens with a range of 550 meters. With 5 brightness levels, the advanced APC technology ensures a 365-day standby experience, and USB-C charging adds convenience. Explore the outdoors with confidence. Revolutionize your charging experience with the 3-in-1 zipper watch charging cable. This cable, with its stylish zipper design, effortlessly organizes your charging needs. Charge your Apple Watch, connect lightning-fast PD charging for multiple devices, and enjoy collaborative fun with up to 3 users simultaneously. A cable's high-quality materials ensure stability and reliability, while its adjustable length caters to diverse scenarios. Transform your space with the Flagist Magnetic Levitation Globe, a mesmerizing fusion of technology and elegance. This 3.3-inch globe floats gracefully, creating a peaceful and enchanting atmosphere. With a gentle spin, enjoy 360-degree rotation for 15 to 25 minutes. The premium design features a high-precision electronic control magnet system and clear graphics. Experience nostalgia with revolutionizing Bluetooth speakers, inspired by vintage record players. This portable wireless speaker boasts a charming design reminiscent of 18th century vinyl players, making it a premium home decoration even when not in use. The added touch of a rotating free descent enhances relaxation during music playback, creating a soothing atmosphere. With an integrated nightlight, this Bluetooth 5.1-enabled speaker connects seamlessly to your devices, delivering powerful sound for an immersive experience. Sirui expands its anamorphic Saturn lineup with the Saturn 50mm and 75mm lenses. These T/2.9 full-frame anamorphic lenses feature a 1/6x squeeze and a carbon fiber barrel, making them the world's lightest in their category, priced under $1,000 each. These budget-friendly lenses offer sign-level features, including smooth focus and aperture rings, 120 degrees of focus throw, and compatibility with various mounts. The Saturn lenses provide sharp images while weighing only 400 to 500 grams, making them ideal for gimbals and drones. The Aeromax M1 Pro electric screwdriver is a precision tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its versatile torque range, innovative structure, and immense torque of up to 10 kgf/cm, it excels in various tasks. The compact design and touch-sensitive switches enhance user convenience, while the smart motion control system ensures efficiency. It comes with a mobile app for customization and a range of accessories. Fast Type-C charging adds to the convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe.